Today, I'm taking a closer look at the FREESKY Swift Horse Ultra 21 electric bike. And the big question, does it actually justify the hype and your money? First impressions, this thing is seriously powerful. You're getting a high-torque Bafang-style motor that can push fast acceleration and handle steep hills without breaking a sweat. On paper, it's hitting speeds over 35 mph, which honestly feels more like a light electric motorcycle than a casual e-bike. Now the battery is another standout. It's a big capacity pack, and in real-world riding, you can expect anywhere from solid commuter range to full-day adventure rides depending on how hard you push it. But here's the trade-off. This is not a lightweight, easy city bike. It's heavy, aggressive, and built for off-road or mixed terrain riding. If you're planning to carry it upstairs or use it purely for short errands, it might feel like overkill. Comfort-wise, the fat tires and full suspension actually do a good job soaking up rough roads and trails, which makes it fun when you're pushing it hard. So is it worth it? If you want power, range, and off-road capability on a budget, yes. If you want simplicity, no.